Hello there. Welcome to Amazing Travel Tours channel, your one-stop destination for all things amazing when it comes to travel. Some of you may recognize we're on the way to Phoenix Mall of Asia. Mall is just around the corner. Let me just talk you through what the mall is all about. By far, Phoenix Mall of Asia is the most happening destination in Bangalore and the most awaited mall. It was built with the sole objective of providing quite a unique shopping and dining experience. Here we go, the excitement begins, friends. We're just entering the mall, and you can see there is a gorgeous Christmas tree out there. By the way, happy holidays to all the amazing travel tours viewers. Yes, the frontal portion of the building standing quite tall, and it is on the way to International Airport and very close to the International Airport, and one of the biggest malls that you can think of and most awaited mall. Look at the gorgeous building from one view to the other. You know what? Tallest Christmas tree. There you go. Now we are viewing the tallest Christmas tree that you can think of. And I'm curious what you think of the height. Any guesses? Please comment down below. Wait, you can see the tree in its full glory. There you go. One more time. Please comment your guess. How gorgeous it is to look at. See the public really enjoying with family and friends. With the picturesque background, greenery all around, the mall standing and inviting you with the open arms. Very splendid indeed. It covers a vast area of 1.25 million square meters, and it boasts of assorted tenant mix like Inox screens, over 10 large anchor tenants, and popular brands like Marks & Spencer, Pantaloons, Zara, Trends, Lifestyle, Max, Vera Moda, Calvin Klein, Jeans, Tommy Hilfiger, Mango, Lacoste, etc. And you know what? It is the place to enjoy during holidays or during weekends with family and friends, of course. One more for you. Let's get in and go the mile in full throttle. Enjoy the amazing experience. This is the inside view of the mall. Look at the gorgeous display there. Of course, there is a Christmas tree. Look at the background. Various trees with different colors. Any guesses? Would it be the natural tree or the not the natural ones? Let's just say, wow, look at one more time, the Christmas tree in all its glory, glittering and quite inviting. And in fact, we are getting close to the Christmas tree to have great experience. Wow, what a sight indeed to watch. All around, look at, pretty neat, pretty solid, pretty well maintained, isn't it? Yeah, so wait for more excitement on the way. Now look at this tree. Look at the colors. What a attractive happening there. So greenery all around, and another view of the mall, aerial view if you like, and look at what's happening. Let's move slowly and cover the area to experience what has been on offer. Wow, look at the twisted representation of the metal there. Do you think what it is made up of? Please comment in the comment section. And I'm quite liking what I'm seeing, and I hope by now you recognize and you got a taste of what the mall has to offer. Look at the ceilings, look at the arrangement, look at the lighting. Everything is spick and span, very neatly done. And it houses many of the brands I already mentioned. It's a very happening destination for shopping and dining experience. So what I am seeing is on another floor, the set of shops that are on offer, glittering away to glory. What a lighting, quite interesting. Yes, we are getting to see other aspects of the mall, and we are going downwards using the camera to explore what's visible there rather. And look at the ceiling. Wow, what an arrangement. What an interesting thought. What an interesting artifact on display there. I think I've seen this once or twice already with my own eyes. And you know what? You must visit with the family and friends. It's a must visit mall and a must visit place for weekends, particularly during holidays. You will have a gala time and you will have memorable time with the family for sure. Look at what's on offer. Very, very splendid indeed. So I think by now you get a sense what this mall is all about. Let me just give you a little background. As you can see, the shops alongside. So like I mentioned, you could experience a very unique shopping and dining experience as customers, as visitors, as this mall is house for over 300 brands in its prime retail and leisure space. So many things as we go through this video, you can see it. Okay. So I think you can see the other floor and other offerings, and you can see the people walking around enjoying their time in the mall. So some weekdays you could see less footfalls, so you could expect to see more footfalls, and it is natural to imagine that. I think nothing left to imagination. It's natural to know more footfalls on the weekend, and the crowd is there. The experience only goes a level up. Even otherwise, you could have a leisurely walk. You could do a great amount of shopping, have lots of memories to cherish, and also spread the word with your family and friends if you're not already. Why don't you, as you speak, give a big fat thumbs up to this channel and subscribe if not already done. And we are going to bring a lot of such experiential tours for you through this channel. I already mentioned this would be a one-stop destination for all things that is travel related and experience related. So we will make everybody's view worth their while, and I'm sure you would see the effort gone into making up this video just to make sure the viewers would have a great experience. If for some reason you think this is kind of inspiring for you to go ahead and take a look personally to the mall, I would recommend you do that at the earliest convenience. And for some reason you're out of Bangalore and probably may not be able to make it, I think at some point you should visit. Look at the ceiling, look at the lighting, look at the effects, very impactful indeed. All around, if you see, the aesthetic sense of the mall is consistent. Look at this, very, very appealing, very interesting, very contrasting colors probably, but quite bright colors, quite appealing too. I love the ambiance here. I love the environment. So you know what? I think with that said, let's look at the LED screen. Wait for something to come up right in front of your eyes. Don't blink, okay? Don't blink. Keep an eye on the large LED screen, and something is going on this small LED screen too. And on this side, you could see a lot of happenings. In fact, ceiling is one. There you go. Why don't you subscribe right away if not done? Thanks for watching.